I'm going to go ahead and hit over these before I do a skim over the entire wall, just to give it a little bit more smoothness. And I don't have to do it perfect because I know the skimming, the tight skim coat is going to go over this, okay? So I just want to kind of fill up any other little voids it might have, any low spots. And that mud should be dry enough in a little bit to put the tight skim over that. Okay, that's all I'm going to do with that. Since I see another little spot there, I'll just hit that. There's not much mud on there, and that will dry. If that was really super thick, then I'd have to wait most of the day before I could coat that. Okay, now to work on this a little bit. And guess how much mud I'm going to put on that? You're right. Just a little dab will do ya. See, I'm hardly putting any on there. But I like to get my patches all the way up before doing the next step, which is skimming, which will be skimming that wall. You know? Is this really needed in most cases? Probably not. But I don't mind doing it. That's all. That's all I'm going to do around this one. Like that. I want to be careful around the plugs. I got my little knife for around that. So is smaller better in some cases? Does size matter? Yes, it does. Patch away. I had some screw holes here, some nails. Might as well cover those. It only takes that long to do that. That way I'm rest assured that when I put the tight skim coat on there, if there was any more than that, it might dip in. You know, after I decide just to put one coat on. And I don't want that to happen. Here I was just brushing up a seam, and you see I'm hardly putting any mud on there. Rest assured, when I put the tight skim on there, ooh, that's gonna just finish it off. Okay. But because I don't have that many nail holes to cover, it just takes me a few seconds to do this.